Do you struggle with IELTS Speaking Part 2? You know, that moment when you have to talk for 2 minutes and your mind just goes blank. Don't worry. Today, I will show you exactly how to master Part 2 with simple strategies and strong tips that can improve your score. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Hossein and I help students prepare for the IELTS test with practical tips and strategies. In today's video, we are focusing on IELTS Speaking Part 2, also known as the long term. This part is very important because it tests how well you can speak without stopping, organize your ideas, and use a range of vocabulary and grammar. By the end of this video, you'll know how to plan, structure, and deliver a strong answer that impresses the examiner. Part 1. What is IELTS Speaking Part 2? In Part 2, the examiner will give you a topic card. This card includes a general topic and some points that guide you on what to talk about. Here's how it works. You have 1 minute to prepare and make notes. Then you need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, the examiner may ask you 1 or 2 short follow-up questions. Remember, during your talk, the examiner will not interrupt you. This is your chance to take control and show your fluency, vocabulary, and coherence. Part 2. How to use the 1 minute preparation. Now let's talk about that 1 minute of preparation. It's more important than you think. Read the card carefully. Make sure you understand the topic and the points. Write keywords, not full sentences. For example, just note down who, when, where, why, how. Organize your notes in a vertical list. This makes it easier to follow your ideas when you're speaking. Don't write on the topic card itself. Use the paper the examiner gives you. This quick planning will give your talk a clear structure and prevent you from going off topic. Part 3. How to structure your answer. When it's time to speak, you should organize your answer clearly. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Introduction. Say what you are going to talk about. For example, I'd like to talk about a person who inspired me. Main detail. Answer the points on the card. Explain who, what, when, where, and why. And go more. Talk about your feelings like similarities and differences with other experiences. Conclusion. Summarize or give a final thought. If you follow this structure, you'll never run out of things to say. Part 4. Language support and useful phrases. Here are some useful phrases that can help you sound fluent and organized. I'm going to talk about. What I'd like to describe is. The reason I've chosen this topic is because. What impressed me the most was. Looking back, I realized that. These expressions will help you start confidently and keep your talk. Part 5. Extra tips for a higher band score. Now, let's go over some strong strategies that can really improve your score in IELTS Speaking Part 2. These are the details examiners notice when they give you a higher band. Number 1. Don't treat it like a memory test. Many candidates try to memorize answers before the test, but this is a big mistake. Examiners can quickly recognize memorized language, and it will reduce your score. Instead, focus on flexibility. If you forgot a word, describe it in another way. For example, if you forget the word library, you can say the place where you borrow books. This shows creativity and language range. Number 2, keep talking even if you go slightly off topic. The examiner is not checking if your story is true or not. They only care about how you communicate in English. If you don't remember exact details, just invent something logical. It's always better to keep speaking than to stop in the middle. Silence is the real enemy. Number 3, make your talk lively and engaging. Remember, IELTS is a communication test. Monotone speaking will hurt your fluency score. Use intonation, stress, and even gestures if it helps. Try to sound like you are telling a story to a friend, not giving a boring lecture. If you feel comfortable, add a touch of humor or a personal story. This makes you sound natural. Number 4, practice with a timer. Timing is everything in Part 2. The biggest problem for many candidates is speaking for less than 1 minute. To avoid this, practice at home with a watch. Aim for about 30 seconds per point on the card. This way, you'll easily reach 2 minutes. Number 5, don't worry about the examiner's body language. Sometimes candidates panic if the examiner doesn't smile or doesn't make eye contact. Relax. The examiner is listening and writing notes. Their job is not to entertain you, it's to evaluate your English. Focus on your talk, not on their expression. Number 6, show your grammar range. To get band 7 or higher, you must show that you can use a variety of structures, not just simple past tense. For example, use past tense to describe what happened. Use present tense to explain how you feel now. Use future tense to say what you might do differently next time. This shows flexibility, which is key for higher scores. Number 7, use linking devices to connect your ideas. Organized speech is easier to follow. Use simple connectors such as first of all, in addition, however, on the other hand, finally. These transitions make your answer smooth and logical, which increases your coherence and cohesion score. Number 8, expand your ideas with examples and similarities and differences. Don't just answer the points directly. Go more. For example, if you're asked to talk about a person, you can add compared to other people I know. He is much more hardworking. Or if you describe a place, you can say, it reminds me of another place I visited last year. This makes your answer richer and more impressive. Number 9. Vocabulary. Aim for variety, not perfection. You don't need to use complicated academic words. Instead, use a wide range of natural vocabulary. Avoid repeating the same word. Use synonyms. For example, instead of always saying happy, try words like excited or delighted. Even simple words will increase your lexical resource score. Number 10. Fluency is more important than accuracy. Of course, grammar is important, but don't stop speaking just to fix every little mistake. If you hesitate too much, your fluency score will drop. A few small grammar errors are not a big problem. What matters is that you communicate smoothly and confidently. So remember, IELTS Speaking Part 2 is your chance to shine. With these strategies, from keeping your speech lively to expanding ideas, from showing grammar variety to managing your time, you can deliver a natural, confident, and well-structured talk that impresses the examiner. So to sum up, IELTS Speaking Part 2 is all about showing your ability to speak without stopping. Stay on topic and organize your ideas. Prepare with quick notes, structure your talk, use natural phrases, and practice regularly with a timer. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. And let me know in the comments which part of the IELTS speaking test do you find the most challenging. I'd like to hear your thoughts. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.